Breaking the Silence, the Importance of Mental Health Awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a topic that affects each and every one of us, yet often remains shrouded in silence: mental health. In a world that often prioritizes physical health, it's crucial that we recognize the equal importance of mental well-being. First and foremost, let us dispel the myths and misconceptions surrounding mental health. Contrary to popular belief, mental health issues are not a sign of weakness, nor are they something one can simply snap out of. They are complex, multifaceted conditions that require understanding, support, and proper care. Consider this. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 4 people worldwide will be affected by mental or neurological disorders at some point in their lives. These staggering statistics underscores the urgency of the situation. Mental health knows no boundaries. It transcends age, gender, race, and socio-economic status. It affects us all, directly or indirectly. Yet, despite its prevalence, mental health continues to be stigmatized and marginalized. Many individuals suffer in silence, fearing judgment or discrimination. This culture of silence only perpetuates the cycle of suffering and prevents people from seeking the help they desperately need. But there is hope. The tide is turning and the conversation surrounding mental health is gradually shifting. Thanks to the tireless efforts of advocates, activists, and healthcare professionals, awareness is growing and the stigma is beginning to erode. Each and every one of us has a role to play in this movement. It starts with education, educating ourselves and others about the realities of mental health, challenging stereotypes, and promoting empathy and understanding. Furthermore, we must prioritize mental health in our personal and professional lives. This means cultivating environments that foster psychological safety, where individuals feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment or reprisal. Additionally, we must advocate for policies and resources that support mental health at the social level. This includes adequate funding for mental health services, improved access to care, and initiatives to destigmatize mental illness in the workplace and beyond. In closing, let us remember that mental health is not a privilege but a fundamental human right. By breaking the silence and standing together in solidarity, we can create a world where mental health is valued, supported, and prioritized for all. Thank you.